Look how dusty my Lego jet is. It is literally covered in dust. As a Lego collector, I'll tell you one thing nobody warns you about: the dust. It's a real issue. To clean my Lego so far, I've been using this basic paintbrush and OXO laptop cleaning brush. This little brush is very soft and gentle and comes with a flat pad which helps to remove fingerprints off the flat plates. It also adds a bit of a shine. But for dusting part, I use this simple paintbrush, and I was always wondering, is there something better than this? There surely is. And then I found this brush, which is actually called Dusting Brush. Let's open it up and try it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Does it actually work? Fast impressions, it's big and it's very soft and gentle. Let's try. Oh, it removes dust so easily. With a few strokes and dust is gone. I like the size of it. It almost covers the whole wing. Dusting feels effortless. I think it's perfect for larger sets. A lot of Lego collectors suggest to get a vacuum cleaner, the ones that are rechargeable, but I haven't actually found a good one. So if you know any good ones, please leave the comment below. But so far I've been really enjoying dusting with my new dusting brush. There's no charging, there's nothing, no filters. You just clean your Lego. Look at the transformation. My Lego jet is actually dust free. There is something rattling inside. What could it be? Captain? Oh, there's someone inside. I think my son was playing with this earlier and he has put some of his own bits inside. Not sure if this belongs to this jet or not, but I'll better put it back. I am very, very happy with the result. It has certainly exceeded my expectations. Now let's remove those fingerprints and add a bit of a shine. Well, I guess you could use also a cloth or something to remove fingerprints, but I think this pad is really, really effective. You can see how easily it removes all the fingerprints and adds a bit of a shine too. It is really noticeable on the windows, on the see-through parts. Right, I think this jet is spotless and dust-free. So these are my 3 favorite tools. I like each and every one of them. The dusting brush worked really well on the larger set, but what about the smaller set? Let's find out. It is absolutely effortless. It covers the whole set in a few strokes. It's dust-free. My handy pad to remove all the fingerprints. dust-free and shiny, it's ready to go back on the shelf. I will be back soon with something new.